cousin Riley's here. I don't know where she is.
Each individual one, but my response to that is no. That's not how you do it.
Well, okay. I don't know where my cousin Riley is right now, so... Hi. I'm filming. Say hello.
Should we go outside now?
Yeah, let's go outside.
We're going outside.
Okay.
Crap, I forgot to use the bathroom.
Frick, it's raining.
We'll be fine.
I'm gonna go tell Grandma. Grandma. Grandma, me and Riley will be okay, she's snoring. She is snoring. Grandma's snoring. Yeah. So I think we'll be good. Okay, guys. I have not filmed in a while. So I don't know. Grandpa. I'll get outside. Oh. Oh. Where's Riley?
Let's go to the trampoline.
Yep, let's go. Yeah, listen, Grandma's snoring.
Those people will be like, that's not fair. They'll be like, get ready.
I think we'll be good.
What are you supposed to do? You're supposed to jump out of nowhere. What?
Hey, it's not raining, but it's cold. It was raining a lot today.
Yeah, it was literally, it wasn't pouring, but it's still sprinkling again.
Gotta be freaking kidding me. Well,
Still freaking.
the trampoline's probably really wet.
Yeah, so it was there last week of school.
We have till Friday.
We have 4 days left. Tomorrow, since it's Memorial Day, we have to go to school. Hey.
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna throw you on the trampoline.
The trampoline's a little bit wet. A little. I'm gonna throw my phone up on there. It's gonna be a little bit of adventure. Adventure.
This is how I get up without getting everything all wet. Get my feet. You just stepped on my damn phone!
I didn't step on it.
Ah! Riley just double bounced me.
It's your turn.
Oh. Guys, I'm gonna do it from...
Yeah. This is gonna be wet, but...
Oof. Oh, my knee. Oh. Oh, my knee.
So I'm gonna do a front flip.
She really landed. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do a front flip. Now I'm gonna do a front handspring. Okay. Oh! Oh! Oh, my knee! Oh. I'm forcing my knee, guys. I'm forcing it. Guys, I'm forcing my knee right now.
This is my...
It hurts. But I'm doing it for you guys. Ah!
So, Jane, guess what?
What?
I'm actually making merch.
Can you make some for me?
Maybe. But I'm making merch right now. It's only gonna be...
Let them see for themselves.
$15, but I'm not showing you what it looks like because it's a good surprise.
Make
yeah.
mine with a J.
Yeah, mine.
Oh.
is within the freaking beep. I'm not saying it.
Damn.
But you can you sort of hear it?
Can you hear this, guys?
You can hear the freaking rain.
Yeah.
Um,
It's pouring!
it's not really.
Ow, frick.
This is ideal.
Rain, rain, go away. Come back another day. I hate rain.
But we
I just about fell right over.
okay. I can jump really high, and my friend's always up high. We're gonna go.
I just double bounced Riley. Frick my knee!
Do you know what you should do when you're jumping? Face
What?
your camera like this. So yeah, that's how high I can go.
Ugh.
That's the best one. Okay.
It's really raining.
It's not raining, it's just
It's not raining really hard, but it's still raining. Ow.
What's that one thing?
This is just the warning thing.
So I think we're just gonna keep on bouncing and bouncing.
If you guys can read that, read it.
I think I'm just gonna keep on bouncing and bouncing and bouncing. So I'm gonna, if my phone falls, I'll quickly rescue you guys.
Ugh. Ow.
So this is gonna be
Guys, you guys are gonna go on an adventure.
scary, but so
Land's right under me. Holy jeez.
so yeah, my phone's gonna go right here. I think. So, okay. If my phone falls, don't worry, I'll save you guys.
Okay, let me make sure. Yeah, you're good.
Okay, so just in case it doesn't fall. Sorry if that's in your
And you guys can go look at my channel. It's going to be right over here. And if you guys want the full video, it's going to be on my channel.
Yeah, Jane's camera's probably gonna be over there. Sorry you don't have the best lighting.
Don't have the best view. The best view.
Darn it, my phone fell.
Damn. Want me to hold your phone? Ow.
I guess.
Guys, I'm forcing my knee.
Okay, so I'm gonna bring this little table in here.
Actually, you guys are going to get an overhead view. Actually, I can't do that, but, actually, I can't do that,
Can you videotape me?
Yeah. Okay. Guys, meet each other.
Hi, I'm the best with cameras. Okay, so it's not on me. My camera. Okay.
I filmed the whole thing.
Okay, now Shane's turn.
Okay. You hold my phone.
Okay.
Literally about to fall over. Guys, I'm really forcing my knee here.
Okay. Actually, I don't need it. Sorry if the camera angle's bad. Now it's my turn.
Ow. Ow. Ow, Riley. My knee. Guys, I'm really forcing it for you.
You might just videotape me the whole time.
Yeah.
You just might.
Guys, I'm really forcing this. I'm really forcing this today.
Okay, so what's your shoulder?
I don't know. How?
Okay, just put your shoulder.
Front handspring. Oh, my knee.
Embarrassing.
Yep. In front of my fans and your fans.
What now?
I don't know.
I can do some tricks. Okay, I know what I'll do.
Damn.
Anything else? Or I'll tell you if there's something on the screen.
I don't know.
My
Riley, I'm probably gonna switch camera angle for yours. Cause I don't. How do I do that?
You can't.
Frick you.
Unless you want to start the video again.
Nope. We're good. I'm like, nope,
So
we're
what should
good.
I do next?
Cartwheel.
Cartwheel?
Front.
Kind of cartwheel.
Front cartwheel.
Fast, like jumping into one, or?
Do it slow.
Here.
You guys don't know this, but I have to look at 2 cameras. If you guys am wondering if I'm looking up or down,
But I'm gonna start another video.
I've been rolling for 11 minutes.
I've been rolling for about 10.
Oh damn.
Okay, can you see better?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, there. There we go. This one's fine.
Okay. I want to play.
It's really blurry. Focus! Focus on Riley.
On the camera, it doesn't.
Oh.
Okay, what should I do? Yeah, I'm bright today.
Back to back flip.
We're back to back.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. I can do like 5 flips.
I can do 6.
Okay, should I do it?
Yeah.
1. We're gonna close this.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna end my video. Peace out.